Yo, 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 what is good? I'm never doing that again.
I told Kenny hit the plug, I need more.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Kenny, and I'm back for another video. Right now, we are live trading gold. It is Friday morning, 7:52 a.m., December 3rd. It's NFP day, nigga. Nah, it's NFP day though, and I'm. Let me break this down real quick for y'all, so y'all don't get left behind. Y'all see the 200 MA trend line? Y'all see this bottom trend line? And we have this nice little support right here. And this is where I'm looking to take profit at. If we can get a closure above this wick, and then we can get a closure here or mitigation, I'm definitely going to take the sell for some quick profits. If not, I'll take whatever I can get, whatever. I'm not going to put a trade in. 200 MA curling down, 50 MA curling in the midst of this minor support area. If I drop down to the 5-minute, you'll see why I put this here. So we had this support right around here. We stuttered a little bit. We keep zipping through it. Other than the fact that there's a 50 and there's a 200 MA crossing in between here, we're curling down off the 5-minute. So on the 5-minute, we're curling down. Let's see the 1-minute. We're already curling down. We already broke the trend. So I think we're waiting for a retest off of the 1-minute. 5-minute will follow. 15-minute will follow. Yeah. So hourly chart, 50 MA curling down. Nice wick rejection. Nice push. So I'm expecting price to fill this in. And look at these clean candles. So I do expect price to come down here and mop all this up. So if I wanted to put an entry in, I would love to get in here. Stop. Let's see, take it down to here. I probably have my stops right around here. Yeah. But I don't know. Price may or may not want to cooperate this morning. Like I said, it's NFP. So we gonna see, man. I really want to just take a quick scalp right here, but I don't want to. I don't want to put in an entry and then price go back up to this little support or try and correct this or do something. You know. So this is more of like a 15-minute, 5-minute type entry type trade. Really, we could put the trend up to like there and drop this down just a bit like that. So we're really just waiting on it. Like I was saying before, I just labeled this. I was hoping this would not be a fake out. Reason being is because when we opened up for the news at 7:30, we shot up and then we came back down and we started rejecting this. Now we did have a strong closure. I do believe we just came to take this liquidity from this high. So the fact that we have these MAs curling down and now we have this candle trying to push up, I do feel like this might be a retest and then a drop, or we might push through all of this, push all the way back up. The news wasn't too good though. That's the thing. So non-farm employment change. It was previously at 531,000 people employed. So this measures the change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farmers. So we were expecting about 22,000 more people to be employed, and we dropped over 300,000. So I'm expecting shit to go south. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I'm gonna be on mobile, so the rest of this video may be on mobile screen record. So yeah, let's hop onto the phone. All right, so we on the mobile screen. We on the phone right now, and 8:30 just hit. Y'all know the New York Stock Exchange opens, and I'm flipping through these time frames, and it's like, bruh, nothing's happening. So we do have some strong wick rejections. Like I said on the computer, I said we was gonna come down here and reject this, and then push down or whatever. Or was it this? Yeah, we was gonna reject this MA and then push down. We did get a nice push down, but we didn't close past these wicks, this wick right here, this low point. So it's leading me to believe that there's something down here that they didn't want to take, or they just wanted to grab some of the liquidity right here. They didn't really take all of it, but if we're gonna push up, the only thing I can see us doing is this correcting this candle or that wick. So if I go to the 30 minute looks like we're trying to create a W. So the 30 minute looks like here's one leg, here's the second part, boom, and we're gonna come up. So if we're gonna buy this, then once it breaks that white candle, then we could hop in kind of aggressively and see if it's gonna push up to that 200 MA. Part of me is like, it's Friday. I don't want to risk any profits, especially not on a cleared trade. But the reasons I would take this trade is because of a demand retest on a 30-minute time frame. So something like that came down in here, created demand. After we took the demand from fake demand right here, took the liquidity out of it, created a real demand, popped out, shot up, came back here, wick rejections in the same little area, and then now we have this little doji candle with two candles that are showing bullish momentum. So if we want to take this buy, we should took this buy at the wick once it started showing bullish momentum, and then see if we can push it all the way up. Stop loss underneath this candle's wick right there. I'm probably not gonna hop in. We probably would have got burnt. So yeah, maybe we can paper trade this. I don't know. So yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about. Prices being all indecisive. They don't know what they want to do. And that's why I said I'm probably gonna stay away from NFP week or NFP day, I should say. Because even at 7:30 when the news came out, we got a massive spike up. But if you would have hopped into it, you probably would have burnt your account because of the big ass wick that it left. Then 8 o'clock hit. Y'all know we get volume at 8 o'clock on gold. Got a little bit of volume, but it didn't move much. 8:30 hit about 5 minutes ago. And we're still in the same place making all these wicks. And, you know, if it moves today, it'll be a late mover. But you got to keep in mind, it's NFP week. It's December. It's no volume, no momentum, no clear direction. We really should just stay away, you know? So, no volume, no momentum, NFP. So I just registered this quick little 100,000 demo account. See, demo, whatever. I'm about to take this buy.
5 minutes.
Same reason why. Demand retest. And we got the bullish momentum off the wick. Stop loss underneath this wick. Right here. This candle's wick. Stop loss underneath that. Take profit. Clear the candle, basically. Look at that. Go big or go home, man. Bigger account, less movement you gotta make. Let's hop down the lower time frame, see what's going on. So yeah, I might take profit up at 1775. But we have clear direction right on the 5-minute chart, so I may take profits up here.
been years since I've put a machine
1780.
together, but didn't turn off.
Think well around a tattoo, you have to know your equipment, and maybe it's time to focus a
Yeah,
little
I'm
more
gonna take
energy
profit
on
at
knowing your
1780.
tools.
Definitely.
You do a lot of different style tattoos, knowing how to work this machine and knowing how to tune it, you could potentially do a lot better tattoos in the long run. The weakness has been exposed.
Allie,
I didn't get the machine put together.
Either you know your craft or you don't. Being able to put a machine together is definitely knowing your craft.
Not knowing how to put a tattoo machine together doesn't mean I'm a bad artist.
because there's nothing for us to critique, you gotta bring in some solid line.
So I did go ahead and double up on my lots. So I cut one of the lots in half for my second entry. So
Kyle.
did pull back just a little bit, but now we're kind of pushing up. Now I'm on an hourly chart. I do see that it's MA curling down, but then again, the 30-minute chart is telling me totally different.
Craig was trying to give me a challenge
So
on this one, but it's going to work to my advantage.
even on the 4 hours, telling me something totally different. I really could take my profit way up here
Remember,
at
artists,
this
after the elimination tattoo,
supply.
human canvas
I could take profit up here,
that they think is the worst.
but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and scalp it 1780 and just be done.
Tomorrow, you'll have 6 hours.
I know I don't like being in trades forever.
Based on your work, one
So
of you
again, I'll check back in when we get closer to take profit, or if we get burnt,
Every Celtic design is
I'll let y'all know.
of intense line work.
But so far we're
So many intersections.
negative, no, like teeter-tottering. So it's break even pretty much.
Even the most experienced artist is going to feel the pressure.
It's a quick little update.
The epitome of line work for the simple fact that
When you
all
use
lines
big
have
lot
to be
sizes, that's what
parallel,
happens. You make hella
both
bread.
sides, same line weight, same
Yeah, I always wonder what lot sizes I'm using.
style that all professional tattooers
These be the ones. Maybe not this big, but
My canvas
these be the
is
ones.
extremely specific on what he wants.
Look at that. M5 is clear as
I had
night.
to redraw quite a bit. I put
M15 we can got some push.
so that
H1,
it doesn't mess with the cross itself.
H4 we got some push.
Lines have to be perfect. Are you ready?
I think we look good, bro. Up about 6K, 7K in profit.
Bare bones of a traditional Celtic design as I can. So I really like.
You notice I'm not putting my stop loss in profit, because we would have just got smacked out. Everything looking solid. Let's see what the M5 talking about. M5 looking good. M1 looking pretty decent.
Focus on making sure that all my lines are absolutely perfect.
A lot of noise on that time frame.
Mr. Quiet Machines backwards.
And I ran like 1,000 lines.
Drop down just a little bit.
I think it leaves a lot to be
So
desired.
this is what happens. This is what happens when it's unclear and it's NFP and it's,
This tattoo is rough.
yeah,
These 13s.
this
they're
what
deep.
happens.
The shape of the 13s are just very sketchy and iffy.
You wanted the 13s in the cross. And so I'm thinking, oh no, that's
Not afraid to show it.
not
You know what I'm saying?
So I
It
tried
happens
figure
to the
out a way
best of
to
us.
Put it in a little more subtle.
That's not subtle. That
But
is
yeah,
big,
this what's going on.
abruptiously rough. You have inconsistencies in your
Look at that,
outline.
trying to take the whole demand level out.
Compared to what you're up against, you're falling incredibly short.
That's because of this news right here.
Tattoo, baby.
First off, you look at this tattoo, it's a beautiful tattoo. It's not a real intricate Celtic design,
So.
but the teeth are squared off and partially beveled. Some of the teeth are round. There are gears that look like all of these, but never on one gear.
Should have paid on that.
See, I don't know. It's trying to wick, do all types of stuff, take liquidity, who knows what it's gonna do.
Made them tough. You would have shown tremendous
I don't know.
while getting away from having to do the Celtic.
I don't know.
Overall, it's a good job on the tattoo, but line work, you dodged the bullet.
Yes.
This is good to see though.
We see that you do a slow, meticulous work and from dark to light, you discovered this
Still
entire
holding
tattoo.
this zone.
That might end up in the bottom. Made rich.
We had some bullish momentum, but it keeps getting stopped down by this. So banks is up here selling this down. They just want to consolidate this all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull out. There's no need for me to just sit in here in consolidation all day. So that just goes to show you that if it's not clear, don't take it. If nothing's moving, there's no volume, there's no momentum, don't hop in. Just enjoy your Friday. Again, this was on a paper traded account. You can see it said demo. It's not my funded account. It's not my personal account. So I'm not worried about the L. But this is what happens when there's nothing going on in the market. There's too much news. That's exactly what happens. I ain't got too much to say. It's your boy Kenny, and I'm out. Peace.
Psych!
I never pulled out. And now we up 15 bands on them. I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade out. Get this video out to y'all. It's your boy Kenny. Like I said already, I'm out. Peace.
She see me throw the pill with my hand, she asking what that shit mean. And I put my niggas on and put myself last. I ain't selfish, I'm the captain of the team. I tell them we all gotta put that work in. They don't want for a thing. I make sure all my niggas eat. I set examples and they follow my lead.